Bike check. Coat bar, 9-inch. Took a 1/2 inch on both sides. They were blue at one time. They had a raw profile, top load, Odyssey compression mode. The Odyssey headset, G Sport monoset Demolition Zero. Tires are Maxxis Grifter 2.3. Fork is the Sunday 2.1 morning fork. It was black and I rawed that out. Grips are the Scavenger grip. Shout out Conspiracy bar end. The Mike Ankin seat, pretty nice. Odyssey convertible seat post. It was white, then powder coated blue, then polished. Profile seat clamp, tree sprocket, spline drive, 28 tooth, thick cranks, twisted PCs, Odyssey keychain. Over here, G Sport ratchet hub, to the same rim, same tires, one in the front, 2.3 Maxxis Grifter. Let's see, to the weight, 22. Frame, can't forget that. Mutiny, Lucifer, either 21 or 21 1/4. It was gray and it had it rawed out, pretty sweet. Comment, rate, and subscribe, guys. Thank you. My next project will be done in July. Let me know what you think.